Hello. So I decided I'd like to get into flying drones. I bought myself a cheap drone, 70-80 quid. Thought I'll have a bit of fun with this. They even had a facility to track your movements. The problem was I'm new to the game and I pushed it beyond its limits. Basically, I played with it for about 2 hours. A big gust of wind come. I took it through that gap in those trees. I went in there. I went in, asked the lady if I could look in the garden at the back of the community centre. I spent about an hour looking in the trees, bushes, long grass. Nothing. Went back the next day, had another look. Still nothing. And one day I was coming down here, and as you can see, that's a high building there, and there isn't a big pitch on that roof, so you can't really see the top of the roof. But from a distance I could see an object on that roof. So this object needed to be investigated, and I guessed it could be my drone. This is a story about me trying to rescue my drone on the top of that building. You would have thought it would have put me off flying drones, especially having one that was 70-80 quid just for a few hours and then losing it. No, I thought, I wonder if another drone, a bigger drone, a better drone, could actually go up there and rescue that drone. So rather than be put off, I bought this bad boy. This is the DJI Mini 4K, and trust me, what a piece of kit that is for its money. I think it was 269 quid, and I've flown it for a few days now and it is exceptional. This has got so much technology compared to the other one. The other drone I had, when it went high and the wind speed got too much, you didn't get any warnings, and unfortunately that's how I lost it. This one tells you when the wind is getting too high and get down and land as soon as possible. It's also got a home button, so it will bring it back to you. It's very difficult to lose. But let's hope I don't lose it, try to rescue my other drone. So here's a plan. So initially I thought I could try and attach something to the drone and dangle it and try and get a hold of the other drone and drag it off the edge of the roof. My son's just taken up fishing, so I thought maybe attach a little hook, but I feared that maybe it wasn't heavy enough and maybe the string or the rope or whatever attachment I had would get caught up in the rotors. So I got some string. I found a spanner and I bent it almost like the shape of a hook. So here's a plan. Attach this to this. Let's see if it can cope and lift this up and not be too detrimental of its flight path. And if it works, then we'll have a go at going up and trying to fish the other drone with this. There we go. It's a little bit Heath Robinson, but maybe, just maybe that'll work. Spinning a bit. It could be a problem. Let's see where we're going. ran out of battery yesterday. So close. One little problem I had was as soon as the drone got near the roof, I wanted to land. And I'm sure there's something in the settings that I could have adjusted to prevent that. But what I've done is I've just added some more string. I've given myself another 1.5 meters, and I've still got my little hook on the end. And I've proved that it can take off, no problem, and can carry this. And I was very, very close to hooking it yesterday, but it was very windy. Not so windy today, but there is a little bit of a breeze. So here goes.